setting up here. Our next act is an amazing, dynamic duo, finishing their downtown Hilo tour of all the bars and taverns. Always an amazing musical act and music on tap, no doubt. The Pilsner Brothers.
Remember last year we were both so sweet on that same girl?
Which one was that one?
You don't remember.
There were a couple, I believe.
You don't remember Lulu?
Lucy.
No, she's not in the house. Remember, she's coming back to town.
All
So
right.
we better get ourselves ready.
Tell
And
me
may
that.
the best man win.
Who's
Where's
that
that careless chambermaid? Where'd she put my razor blade? She's mislaid it. I'm afraid that it's got to be found. When she came to clean my room, where'd she put my best perfume? I just can't lose it. I got to use it, 'cause Lulu's back in town.
Well, gotta get my old tuxedo pressed. Gotta get a button on my vest, 'cause tonight I got to look my best. Lulu's back in town. Well, I gotta get a half a buck somewhere. Gotta shine my shoes and cut my hair. I gotta get myself a bed. One of those. Lulu's back in town. Well, you can tell all my pets, all my Marla cats. Mr. Pilsner, he regrets, but he ain't coming round. Well, you can tell the mailman I can call. I ain't coming round until the fall, and then again I might not come back at all. Lulu's back in town.
Oh, I've got to get my old tux. Got the silver button on my best cause tonight. I got to look my best while Lulu's back in town. Got to get a half a buck somewhere. I gotta shine my shoes and slick my hair. Got to get myself a boutonniere. Lulu's back in town. You can tell my pets, all my blondes and brunettes, that Mr. Pilsner regrets that he won't be around. Tell your mailman not to call. I ain't coming home till the fall. You know I might not get back at all, 'cause Lulu's back in town.
Hey, talking about it. Lulu's back in town. Lulu's back in town.
I think Lulu always was a little sweeter on you than she was on me, so I
It's
am
not hard to
going-
imagine. Yeah, I know.
Well, all right, yes, well, but I will graciously step aside because there is a very hot gal
A hot one.
that is coming to town too, and I got first dibs. He's got the shade on sweet Gordon Brown. Sweet Gordon Brown. On the guy when she comes to town.
brothers, always a half pint in hand and at least 3 sheets to the wind. Yes, thank you very much. Our next act, actually, here in Hilo particularly, but all across Hawaii, we do have a special dialect that's local called Pidgin. You've ever heard of it? Yeah. Hey, right. Well, anyway, it's in an effort to merge, it sort of rattles off the tongues of the local folks and rattles off the ears of the tourists. But in an effort to merge classic vaudeville with some of the local dialect, we've put together a classic comedy routine, Who's on First? But in this case, it's in Pidgin, so we call it Who Dat on First.
Make one list. Oh, cool. Hey, we get some real good guys this time, Ken.
Hey, I trust you, bro.
Who you trust?
I trust you.
That's right, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, we lucky this time. First, second, third base, all that brothers. From that Ohana?
Shoot, bro. 3 brothers is a good team. Austin Ohana. Solid. Okay. Start with tell me the name of the guy you get for first base.
Who that?
Yeah, bro. That's the brother I like to know. What on first base?
Who that?
That's right, bro. Who that you get for first base?
Right.
Who?
Right.
No, not right field, bro. First base.
He the one, bro.
Who?
First base, bro, like I tell you.
Who that?
Correct.
Forget that there.
Hey, no can forget that. We get 3 in there.
3 what?
3 that. Who that? What that? Don't know that.
Don't know that. Hey, why do you say you get all these guys for the team and then you tell me don't know that?
Hey, don't know that. Play third. And no worries, we get plenty that. That get one big honor.
Hey, okay. Why you tell me about third base when I ask you for tell me about first?
Because you said don't know that.
Well, of course I said don't know that because you never tell me nothing.
I just said, bro.
Say what?
Oh no. What plays second base?
Hey, don't jump ahead, okay? I still try forgetting to tell me who's on first.
Bro, I tell you 5 times already.
Tell me what?
No, what plays second?
Second what?
Yeah, now you get him.
I'm getting one headache. So what you say is right, huh?
No. What plays second base? How many times I gotta tell you what plays second?
Okay, bro, we're not getting nowhere here, okay? Let's start over.
Okay. One more time. Simple English, okay?
Okay.
First, second, third, okay?
First, second, third.
Who that? What that? Don't know that.
If you don't know that, bro, why you say we get one team?
Hey, don't know that play third.
Okay, I stay confused, bro. We come back to this, okay?
Okay, everything good, bro. Everything good.
Okay, tell me who the pitcher.
Oh, no, can the pitcher. And don't forget, who is on first base?
I'm not talking about first base no more. I like to know pitcher's name.
No, can the pitcher and can the catcher.
So, I asked you pitcher's name and you said no can.
Yeah?
How that?
No, how that not playing on a team this year?
But I asked you the pitcher's name and you said no can.
That's right. No, can the pitcher and can the catcher.
Okay, go ahead.
Just did.
What?
No, one plays second.
So, you telling me we get one pitcher, no can his name, but one catcher and can his name?
Now you're getting him, bro.
What?
Second base. Look, bro. I tell you, no can. Who, what, don't know that.
If you never know, bro, what?
Hey, don't be asking me about what no more before I give you a lick here.
Calm down, bro, okay? No need snap on me here, okay? Just tell me we get one good outfield.
Oh, the best brother monkey.
Hit it!
He right field.
Who's right field?
No, who's on first?
Man, don't start that again.
Bro, you don't brother mark.
Just tell me the outfield.
Okay, bro. So you don't get confused. You tell me the order you like them in, so I don't get no more pedicure from you.
I make them easy for you, bro. Okay, you tell me in this order: right field, center field, left field.
Right, center, left.
Right, center, left. That's all I like now.
In that order.
Just the name.
Just the name.
Right.
Okay. Ready. Get in. No worries. I don't care.
One last time I ask you the names of the outfielder.
And one last time I tell you. Get in right.
Right.
No worries for the middle position.
Oh, brother, you make me worry plenty.
Hey, finally, I don't care.
You don't care, then I don't care.
For real. You don't care. Hey, I don't care. We both don't care. What you say?
Kaden.
Right field.
Oh, too much already, bro. Lolo.
Hey, Lolo's place shortstop. Hey, bro, now you get the whole team. Hey, when we will get practice?
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah, you get coach's number.
I don't think I understood a single word they said.
I didn't either, and I wrote it.
I think the audience got every word, though.
I think you're right. You know, it was sort of like vaudeville and a coconut half shell with a little twist of mango
And sprinkled with ling hing mooey.
You know what? We're going to go from the ridiculous to the sublime. We have a first for the Palace Theater.
A first?
Yes, ma'am.
How
We
exciting.
have the acrobatic entanglements of Luna.
Ladies and gentlemen, Luna.
And this isn't Luna. This is our lovely little sign girl, Liberty Gibbons. Let's give her a big hand.
Se la gente usasse il cuore per decidere con semplicità cosa è giusto e cosa no, ci sarebbe tra noi molta più felicità. Se la gente si aprirebbe un orizzonte migliore, troppa indifferenza c'è, prova a vincerla e se soffre a